Hello everyone. Let's dive into the DALAIBUKESI DIY aluminum PC open case. This chassis is clearly aimed at the enthusiast builder, someone who enjoys the process of creating a custom PC from the ground up. The open-air design is immediately striking, offering a unique aesthetic that showcases your components rather than hiding them away. Installation is a breeze, which is a huge plus. The design prioritizes ease of access, making it simple to swap out parts or make adjustments. The fact that it supports graphics cards of any length is a major selling point. You won't have to worry about compatibility issues, even with the beefiest, latest generation GPUs. Motherboard compatibility is equally impressive. It handles everything from IDX to EATX, including even larger 4.EATX boards, providing a truly universal platform for your build. Power supply options are also flexible, supporting ATX, SFX, and even 1 UPS use. This versatility is fantastic, allowing you to tailor the power solution to your specific needs and preferences. Cooling is, of course, a primary concern with any high-performance PC, and the DALAIBUKESI chassis doesn't disappoint. It supports both water and air cooling, giving you the freedom to choose the best cooling solution for your CPU. The open design also contributes to better airflow, which can help to keep temperatures down. The aluminum construction feels solid and premium. The silvery finish gives it a clean, modern look that will complement any setup. The rear-mounted power supply design is a smart choice, helping to keep the overall footprint of the case relatively compact. However, the open design isn't for everyone. Dust can be a concern, so regular cleaning will be necessary to keep your components running smoothly. Also, noise levels might be slightly higher compared to a closed case, as there's less sound dampening. Overall, the DALAIBUKESI DIY aluminum PC open case is a fantastic option for experienced builders who want a versatile, high-performance chassis that showcases their components. Its flexibility, ease of installation, and support for a wide range of hardware make it a top contender in the open-air case market. If you're looking for a unique and customizable platform for your next build, this case is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.